Hey there! Do your clients know what admin area is? The admin area is where you log in when you're using a website builder. It's a place where you can modify the appearance of a site, control its features, and handle things like maintenance and security. You typically reach an admin area through your web hosting account or by adding something like /admin to the very end of a site's web address. You might also hear Control Panel, Backend, Dashboard, Editor. It's kind of like the bridge on large seagoing vessels where commands come from. Front there, the captain directs various crews on the ship. With a website, an admin area is like the bridge. You can control the whole website from there. Do you have any website-related technical jargon that you need explained to clients? Leave them in the comments and we'll try to answer. Thanks for watching.